Hey everybody, my name's Chris. Welcome to Casual Fragrances. Today's video is a special video. It's a new release fragrance. I'm going to give you first impression. It's called Kilian Rolling in Love. It's a 2019 release, ladies and gentlemen. It's not out in the States yet, but I do have a 5ml decan I picked up at Elite Fragrances. I'll leave the link down below. There's a guy named John. He runs it. He's in the Fragrance Facebook book, ladies and gentlemen. If you're not familiar with the Fragrance Facebook group, you should definitely sign up for some Fragrance Facebook groups. If you love fragrances, want to learn about fragrances, about swaps, trade, and even buying fragrances that are hard to get, definitely check the group out. There's fragrance viewers like me. There's normal people that like fragrances, fragrance holics, whatever you want to call it. It's a great group. You learn a lot about fragrances if you want to join it. It's totally free. Now, ladies and gentlemen, he has all kind of samples. Definitely check him out. I got this one here. So the samples range sometimes between, $15 to $20. All depends on the fragrance and the milliliter you're getting. 100% he buys the fragrance himself. He keeps some of it, decants the other bit of it. So this is Kilian Rolling in Love, 2019 release. I'm going to go over the note breakdown and where to buy it at. So if you want to buy this fragrance, it's coming soon to the Kilian website, which I'll leave down below. You can get notified by sending your email address, and it'll notify you when it's released. The price is $240 for a 50ml bottle refillable spray, so you can refill the bottle after it's done, which is awesome. I do not own any Kilian fragrances, but hopefully I'll buy one in the future. Let's talk about the note breakdown. Note breakdown, we have almond milk, amberette, iris musk, vanilla, orange blossom, tuberose, and tonka bean. So, when I spray this fragrance, I've been wearing it for about 3 days with me and my girlfriend, going around some errands, birthday parties, so much stuff on the weekends. She has a big family, a lot of parties. Anyway, we wore it, people liked it. We both enjoy this fragrance, which is nice, but it does have similarities to another fragrance, which you might not like, you might like. So here we go. When you spray this, okay, so when you spray this fragrance on, you spray it on skin, you are going to be reminded of another fragrance, as in Tom Ford. You can get bits and bits of Tom Ford Lost Cherry. There's no cherry in the note breakdown, but there is cherry in this fragrance, because when you smell this fragrance on your skin, you'll be like, I smell cherries in this fragrance. And it has the hints of cherry in this fragrance. We get that Tom Ford Lost Cherry vibe. Even though you get a lot of the almond in this fragrance, a lot of the creamy, milky vanilla in this fragrance, which is it's a gorgeous fragrance. And this fragrance, the way the definition of it was saying, it's you experience being in love with somebody, and it's like the passion of a love, and it's what this fragrance is supposed to be kind of triggering. There's a really cool story behind it. I'll leave a link down below so you can read the whole paragraph of it, but it's supposed to be a definition of love and loving somebody, and it's a really cool story about this fragrance. Hence the bottle is red with the red, and you figure the red heart was love. It's just awesome. Now, I worn it 3 times with my girlfriend. Now, the projection is there, but it's not beast mode. The projection, I got like about an hour and a half, but it was there, but it wasn't crazy beast mode. Like, it was like within my vicinity. So if you pass by me, you would smell it. If I'm in front of you or you're behind me, you'll smell it. But it doesn't reach out and grab people. This is for my first impression. Been wearing it for 3 days now. Now, the longevity, I got about 6 to 7 hours. I know other people have said, another viewer said he got about 8 hours. So I think it depends on your skin chemistry, and I got to test it from the bottle when I get a bottle, which I'm going to buy a bottle when this is released, so I like the fragrance. Now, the middle of the fragrance, you're going to get a lot of the creamy vanilla in this fragrance, which is good too. And you're going to get the almond too. So the almond and the vanilla, you're going to like, if you like vanilla, almond, if you like Pegasus, I really feel like you're going to like this fragrance here, because Pegasus has that too. But on top of that, the dry down is where it really happens at. The dry down, to me, which I have the fragrance that I feel like this is similar to the dry down, is Fedelicio by Christian Dior. It smells like that tonka bean. You'll smell it, be like, it smells like tonka bean. Like, yes, it smells like that. Very nice, heavy, tonka bean from Fedelicio by Christian Dior. And that's just the way I feel about it. And these fragrances, I have Pegasus, so I know the note breakdown with that. I'm smelling that almond and vanilla. And then with the Fedelicio, I just purchased that recently. And when you smell this fragrance, you're like, this reminds me of other fragrances in the genre of other fragrances that are out there. Is it a good fragrance? Yes, definitely it's a great fragrance. It's a great fragrance for, being on a date with your girlfriend, being with somebody you married to for a long time. It's just overall, this is a gorgeous fragrance. Now, it's not a beast mode fragrance where people are going to be like, oh man, you can smell you from a mile away. No, this is more of an intimate, close encounter, fragrance with somebody you really care about. People are going to whistle this and they're going to enjoy it. Let me say, I have yet to find one person that say, do not like this fragrance or they hate this fragrance. Everybody that's been close to me saying, oh my God, you smell so amazing, so gorgeous. So definitely check out this fragrance here. I really like it a lot. I did like Tom Ford Lost Cherry, but it was kind of expensive at the $320 mark. This is about $240, which it's still a lot, but definitely it's the cheapest Kilian I've seen right now, because most of them go for $295, $300 and above. This does not come with any kind of a case with the key. It just comes in a regular Kilian box, and you slide it up, and it has a little black rubber thing with the bottle inside that's red and gold. That's it. There's no extra key or anything, nothing to lock it. I wish they did, but it's the cheapest one I've seen for $240. Now the prices might change between here and there, ladies and gentlemen, but when I talked to a Kilian representative, told me it was about $240. When I was going online talking to somebody, it's about $240, but it might change. So if you heard this fragrance, ladies and gentlemen, are you going to buy it? Are you excited to try new Kilian fragrances? What's your favorite Kilian fragrance? I know my other favorite is Black Phantom and Vodka on the Rocks. I got to buy a few Kilians. They are expensive. They're going to break the bank, but these are really great fragrances. And this one here, Kilian Rolling in Love, I feel like I can wear this with my girlfriend on a date, or just for intimate, just having a nice time together, watching a movie or hanging out, watching Netflix and chill, whatever you people call it nowadays. I'm getting old. But definitely check out Kilian Rolling in Love. If you want to get a sample of this, you can order. I'll leave the link down below to Elite Fragrances. Definitely check out John. He'll ship the fragrance out as fast as he can, give you a tracking number, you're good to go. So thanks for watching this fragrance video. If you like fragrance videos and you like free fragrance giveaways, why not show your support by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you've been watching my video after video after video, and you want to be entered in a giveaway, click that red subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify when I upload new fragrance videos. Until then, bye.